next kind of simple machine, we are having a wedge. So wedge is also a simple machine in which two or more inclined planes are there. How inclined planes are there? See carefully. Here one, this inclined plane is there. Second, this inclined plane is there, and this is also acting like a inclined plane. Means wedge is that simple machine where two or more inclined planes are tapered together, or means fixed together to form a sharp edge. Here two or more simple machine or two or more inclined planes are combined together to make a sharp edge or a pointed edge, and this wedge is generally used in order to split or purse material. Purse is also means to split the materials into two halves. So in order to cut the material, into two halves, we are using this kind of wedge. Fine. So for example of wedge like knife, axes, plough, iron nails, these all are the examples of wedge where you can easily see that two or more kind of inclined planes are joined so that it can easily like cut the materials into two halves, or it can easily make the materials to move together. Okay. So the basic principle of the wedge is to reduce the surface area. Actually, what we are doing in a case of wedge, by using two inclined plane, at one point we are decreasing the surface area. Whenever we are decreasing the surface area, might be you are knowing this formula or no, I don't know. Formula is pressure is equals to force over area. This is the formula we are having for pressure. If we are having an object of very less area, that object will apply more and more pressure into any object. Even though by applying small effort or small force on that object will move with a more pressure. Fine. So this is a basic criteria. Means if you want to cut this log, we are using a, for example, knife or axis we are using. Fine. In a axis, actually we are having a very reduced surface area. Reduced surface area means this X will produce more and more pressure in a wood log, and it will cut the wood or split the wood log into two pieces. So the basic principle is behind this. We will reduce the surface area of the wedge in order to increase the pressure on any object.